Breaking news. Welcome to today's headlines. Ready to go against Malami in any court of law. Ready to go against Malami in any court of law. To my dear listeners, from wherever you're listening from, please stay tuned as I read today's news. Nnamdi Kanu's legal team stated on Saturday that they are prepared to go up against the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, in any court of law. IPOB made the statement while pointing out that its leader would keep defeating Malami. The Federal High Court in Abuja's decision to postpone Kanu's trial indefinitely prompted a response from IPOB. Justice Binta Onyako postponed the trial indefinitely, while the federal government appealed against the October 13 Court of Appeal ruling that absolved Kanu of the terrorism charges was being heard. The Supreme Court is hearing the federal government appeal, which asks them to reverse the Court of Appeal ruling. In response, Ifeanyi Ejiofor and Mike Ozakome, Anthony's for Kanu, were praised by IPOP spokesman Ima Powerful for their effort. We, the global movement and family of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOP, ably led by the prophet, Mazi Nnamdi Okochoko Kanu, wish to recognize the high level of preparedness demonstrated by our legal team in responding to the Attorney General and the Minister of Justice of Nigeria, Abubakar Malami. Wherever he calls Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB in the Nigerian court system, reads a statement from Powerful. During their final appearance at Honorable Justice Binta Onyako's High Court, Abuja, on Monday, November 14, 2022, both the lead counsel, Chief Mike Ozekomel and Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, Mazi, Nnamdi Kanu's most trusted lawyer, reported that the judge told Malami and his goons that both the first case and the second undocumented case are adjourned to await the hearing and final decision of the highest court. We also acknowledge the fact that these two leaders collaborate with a plethora of outstanding attorneys who toil relentlessly in the background and in front of the courtroom to defend our leader and our movement. Malami was further reminded by the court that it is now illegal for either the old case or the new case to be heard as part of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's trial in any court. Therefore, the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB Worldwide family acknowledges these victories and would like to thank our legal team for their bravery in the face of intimidation and threat from the Nigerian government. We commend the legal team for their perseverance in fighting the beast known as Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu's legal team stated on Saturday that they are prepared to go up against the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, in any court of law, IPOB. IPOB made a statement while pointing out that its leader would keep defeating Malami. The Federal High Court in Abuja's decision to postpone Kanu's trial indefinitely prompted a response from IPOB. Justice Binta Lunyako postponed the trial indefinitely, while the federal government appealed against the October 13 Court of Appeal ruling that absolved Kanu of the terrorism charges was being heard. The Supreme Court is hearing the federal government appeal, which asks them to reverse the Court of Appeal ruling. In response, Ifeanyi Ejiofor and Mike Ozekome, Anthony's for Kanu were praised by IPOB spokesman Emma Powerful for their effort. We, the global movement and family of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, ably led by the prophet Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Okochukwu wish to recognize the high level of preparedness demonstrated by our legal team in responding to the Attorney General and the Minister of Justice of Nigeria, Abubakar Malami, wherever he calls Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB in the Nigerian court system. Now I've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let us know what your view is all about. Thank you for listening.